जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, रोड ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट पहले से कम हो चुके हैं क्योंकि कोरोना लॉकडाउन, होम क्वारंटाइन और होम आइसोलेशन की वजह से। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज रीजंस, लॉकडाउन, क्वारंटाइन और होम आइसोलेशन, लोगों के बीच में डिप्रेशन, एग्रेशन, इरिटेशन, बिहेवियर कंटिन्यूसली बढ़ा जा रहा है। इसके लिए हम आप बात करेंगे फ्रॉम All India Institute of Medical Sciences and from the Afif Foundation, and my name is Dr. Avnish Katiyar. I'm a senior resident in Department of Trauma Surgery and Critical Care, Trauma Center, MC Rishikesh. And as everyone knows that road traffic accident is continuously decreasing because of lockdown, and but the severity of accident, they are much higher than before they happens. They are reduced up to 10%. But because of this isolation, lockdown, people are facing a lot of depression and aggression. The small things make them more aggressive because they are isolated. They are not going to work, so they are not occupied. So I will advise them to make themselves to occupied and involved in some work. Those are not working in their work, the people are working in their institution from the home. They are a little bit more oriented and they are more happier than those are free, and they are not able to come outside. So the accident related to the overall accidents, they are reduced, and that but because of this home isolation, the people are facing the more irritational behavior, more of depressed, more young population, they are more depressed, and that further leading to the suicides in the young population, homicides, physical assaults. Because the tolerance power between the people are decreasing, and so they are more irritable. As what we are saying that because we are working the trauma center, we are receiving more patients. Those are having physical assault and gunshots, mob lynching, animal killings. They are continuously increasing because they are more irritated, they are more reactive towards the small behavior, to their small bad stimulus from the other people. So let me tell you how what are the difference between when the normal we are facing trauma center. We are usually deal with the all kinds of accident. Trauma center is able to receive the patient from those are more critically ill, those are met with an accident, even from a small trauma, like if you are fell down and having small abrasion. So trauma center receiving from more lethal accident to the minor trauma. So but now in the India, most of the trauma centers, they convert into corona centers. So the facility related to the trauma is reduced. So if you are facing met with an accident, so if there is possibility of treatment getting delayed, because most of the trauma center you will go into the corona center, and so exposure of corona is also increased. If you believe, then if someone met with an accident, those are urgently required surgery. Now they are coming to the emergency department, they went for a screening of the corona, and it will take time. And the surgeons, they are facing, they have to take precautions for to prevent themselves and also for the patient. So this critical period, they are not the probability of getting treatment because of the corona is very hard. So the outcome related to the accident, they are continuously is poor. So the surgeons, they are facing the problem. When we go for surgery, they take a lot of time, they take precautions. The working in the PPE is very difficult. So performing surgery, critical surgery like vascular surgery, like rim implantation surgeries, or any bowel surgeries, those means could be as those are required a lot of skills. This becomes very difficult for a surgeon to work in the PPE. So overall outcome rate to the trauma is reduced. So it's also any patient who's having accident comes to the hospital and required prolonged hospital, and you have to stay in the suspected corona patient. You have to stay with the suspected corona patients, have to leave them, and the transfer from the corona positive patient to the non corona positive patient is very high. So I will advise you, do not get irritated, do not use vehicle unnecessary, stay home, do not use speeding vehicle. So these are the possibilities when we are discussing with this accident related problems. Because of the irritation, the people are become very spontaneously, very reactive to the even for a small stimulus. So what is the solution for you, and being a social person? So I will advise you to avoid high velocity vehicles. If you're coming outside, limit your speed. Do not involve in too much speeding or racing, and avoid giving a high speed vehicle to the children between 16 to 25 years or even more. If you are even to the higher old generation, older people, you should avoid to ride vehicle in the high speed. And second thing is, do not involve in the too much argument, irritation, because in the society the people are more getting irritated now, and they feel, and the incidence of physical assault is continuously increasing in these days. I don't know exactly what is the reason, but overall the incidence when we receive the physical assault cases means involved between the two people with the squirrels, and we are receiving more patient cut throat, gunshots. They are continuously increasing. The reason, because the people are more depressed, more irritable, so do not find some work, they are not occupied. Because of these reasons, most of the people, they are more irritable, and the incidence of the physical assault related trauma and suicides, even the homicides, maybe intentional or maybe non-intentional, they are continuously increasing. So to combat with all those things, we have to take care of our loved ones, we have to take care of their children from the accidents, from the physical assault, to avoid unnecessary argument with the people and around you, and do not involve in this. So you can combat with the disease. Keep yourself occupied, utilize your hobbies, use whatever you like it, like you can do cooking, painting, gardening, whatever you like it. Occupied yourself, do your work, utilize social media as a good framework, not as a bad outcome. Because I have seen most of the people, they are scrolling down on social media and Facebook and Instagram. They're finding a lot of information related to the COVID, and a lot of news related to the corona. This was maybe may cause depression to you. If you do not like the news, this pandemic is continuously progressing, and you feel bad, so avoid seeing the continuously news. So involve yourself in your hobbies, which makes you more happy, and avoid arguments, and utilize your social media as a good way. You see motivational videos and read books, which can keep you more elevated and excited rather than depression and aggression. Thank you very much from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences and NFE Foundation for giving opportunity to speak to you people. And stay safe, stay home, and stay healthy. Thank you.